Good to go.
Okay, good to go. Okay.
Action.
Okay. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those who are new to this channel, I'm Cheng, and today we have a special guest, which is Drake. He's from Leong law firm. He is going to share about a very interesting topic related to RPGT and also an SPA process. I hope you guys enjoy this video and keep watching. Now before we begin, according to the YouTube analysis, I am surprised to find out that 90% of the audience that are watching this channel is still unsubscribed yet. I appreciate if you can take a few seconds of your time to click onto the subscribe button and also click onto the bell icon so you won't miss all my future uploads. And if you're watching this video from other social media network, you can find my channel in the YouTube search bar by typing Cheng Real Estate. My name is Drake Leong from Leong. Today I would like to explain a little bit about RPGT, Real Property Gain Tax. So what is it about RPGT? Is actually when you sell a property, government tax you based on your profit. So for example, the property is 200,000, you sell 100,000. General rule of thumb is you get taxed that 100,000. Okay, so how government tax all of the owner? It depends on which year you sell off the property. So let's say, for example, there's year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5. You can Google it. You can. There's a lot of information in the internet. So if you sell, for example, you sell the property at the first year, then you get taxed 30%. Second year 30%, third year 30%, fourth year 20%, and the fifth year 15%. So what happens if you sell the property on the sixth year? You get exempted. But for this year only, please keep this in mind that you will enjoy this waiver this year, 2023. 2024 still don't know yet because the government haven't announced whether this waiver they will continue or not. If let's say they do not continue, then you need to wait for the announcement. If yes, they continue, then it's good news for all the owners. So for this year, any individual sell any property, it is waivable after on the 6th year. Okay, so if let's say it is not waived, then you have to pay the RPGT. Let's say the profit, or I'll give you an example, the profit is 100,000. How do you reduce the profit? So you can submit your cost of maintaining the property, your agent fee, your legal fee, including stamp duty, your renovation fee. This is the common 4 things that you can file in LHDN to reduce your profit. So the more you reduce the profit, of course, the lesser tax you have to pay. Then there is few ways to exempt this thing. First, you can use your one-time waiver. Every individual in Malaysia citizen can have this one-time waiver. You use that like a Talian Hayat. Use it once, then you do not have to pay the RPGT. Then second, you transfer the property by the way of love and affection. Means you transfer to your son, you transfer to your grandson, vice versa, then you don't have to pay the RPGT tax also. So that is a two-way. Or maybe you declare the cost of maintaining the property more than your profit. So meaning to say you sell at loss. You get what I mean? So if let's say, for example, you buy 200, you sell 200, maybe 20,000 only. So the profit is 20,000. But the 20,000 profit, right, can be easily justified to the government that you sell at loss because why? You have to pay your legal fee. You remember you have to pay your legal fee and agent fee. So the agent fee, legal fee, renovation is more than 20,000, means you sell the property at loss. So you don't have to pay any RPGT law. But before that, when you declare there is a profit, right, automatically legal firm have to have this retention sum because before you go into the calculation of whether you make a profit or not, we don't know yet. So as long as you have profit, we have to retain. So the retention sum, how it works is, for Malaysian citizens, if let's say it's taxable, then we have to retain 3% of the SPA price. Local company also 3%, but if today it's a foreigner company, then we have to hold 7%. Foreigner also we have to hold 7% retention sum. So a lot of cases, right, agent or the owner will sometimes caught in shock. Hey, how come I sell property no money? Then sometimes I have to pay money also. Why? You see, 10%. 3% go to agent already, left 7% go to retention sum. Then never mind, you have to pay legal fee and miscellaneous. In the end of the day, when you sell property, you have to fork up some money. But that is some exceptional cases like foreigners and foreign company. More in depth, that one is a very technical one. That one also very depends on LHDN discretion whether want to waive it out or not. You can use your installment interest to waive it out, but you have to print. I have client printed out all the
installment interest amount so that the LHDN will take this into consideration. I'm sure you know, right? Loan, you pay principal, you pay the pokok and also the interest. So they can waive off the interest because it's part of your maintaining property cost. One more topic, more in depth one, but this one I cannot be very firm because low cost property, medium low cost property, less than 200,000, they do not charge any RPGT. But this one have to double confirm whether they have amendments or not. This one more sensitive. Less than 200,000, low cost, medium low cost, no RPGT, but LHDN still want us to hold at 3% and submit. It's as like, okay, if let's say you want to know more, actually, some people will ask me that, meaning to say you already submitted tax for me? No, the answer yes and no. We submit the RPGT CKHT. The form is called CKHT. Yes, we already informed the LHDN on behalf of you. But when you do your personal tax, right, you have to check whether you sell a property or you don't have to write your profit, how much, blah, blah, blah. Calculation wise, no need. We already done it for you. But in your personal tax, there's one item, they will ask you pelupusan, whether you got sell a property last year or not. You just check yes or no, finish. This one very straightforward.
Hope you guys enjoyed this sharing topic from start to end. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, and so don't forget to subscribe down here. If you want to invite Mr. Drake here to do more sharing, do inform me, and also contact him if you want to understand more in depth of this topic. Okay, so I'm going to keep it short. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.